Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to deliver an urgent truth. The restoration industry is under attack, and the time to act is now. Unity is not optional. It is the only way forward. For years, I have watched as this industry has been taken from us, piece by piece. Now, the carriers are no longer content with nibbling away at what we've built. They are moving aggressively, driving independent restorers out of business, silencing the very voices that make this industry strong. In some parts of the country, this is already a reality. Appraisals are being weaponized. Payments are being delayed for months, even years. Outright denials have become the norm. In these markets, independent restoration businesses have been wiped out. This is not an isolated problem. It is spreading. And it will reach every corner of this country unless we stop it. But hear this. We are the ones who allow it to happen. Their programs and policies depend on our compliance. Their agenda succeeds only because we tolerate it. That ends today. The truth is simple. We win together, or we lose everything. There is no middle ground. 5 years from now, if we fail to act, we will have no voice, no control, no choice in how we serve our clients. We will be at the mercy of systems designed to benefit carriers, not us, not our clients, and not the communities we serve. Anyone who thinks they're above this fight is wrong. Anyone waiting for someone else to step in and fix this is mistaken. The responsibility to protect our industry falls on all of us. Every single one of us must decide, right here and right now, to fight back. Stop going along with their programs. Refuse to comply with systems designed to strip us of our power. Stand up for yourself, your business, and this industry. Together, we have the strength to reclaim what is ours. The time for waiting is over. The time for action is here. Fight for your livelihood. Fight for your clients. Fight for the future of restoration.